Yo, sup buds? Before this video starts, I really want to be on the Crypty website, and for the Twitter post of this video, I will be tagging them in it, and it would help me out if you tagged post with my name in it with them, so they notice me, because I would really like, somewhere people could buy merch of Paperclip. Yeah. Okay, so let's get this video started. Today we are going to be putting um CC miner on Termux. So usually I use the userland method, but when the userland method doesn't work, I will use this Termux method. And this Termux was compiled by Darktron, and he has optimized some phones cores. So you can go into the website, I'll show you later, but yeah, you can get a faster hash rate. But it's a good example because originally I tried to show this on the AO3S that I bought, but Termux wouldn't work on it. So like the only time I use Termux is when userland isn't working. But yeah, it's a gooder. I already have a Termux CC miner update or tutorial, but this one will be it's just a lot better. Darktron did a really good job on it. So yeah, let's hop onto the computer and then let's set it up. Okay, so just like all my other tutorials, we're gonna start off by going to the Play Store, and we're gonna download the QR scanner from Gamma Play. This is the best QR code scanner. And this time we're just installing it just to get to the web page. And you are gonna scan this QR code. Okay, so that QR code should have taken you to this page. And I'm just gonna follow all the commands on his page. And if you go here, you can look and see. And if you go on to GSM Arena, if your Cortexes match any of these, he has optimized the miner for you. Luckily, the phone that we're using right now, the Radiant 5G, is optimized by his default, so the 73 and the 53. So we're going to download Termux here. We're going to download it, open, settings, and we're going to allow from source. We're going to go back, install, open. Okay, cool. Now we're going to go back to his GitHub page. And we are going to just copy the first set of commands here. And this is the only part that takes a long time, so I will fast forward. And on every one of these options, you're just going to hit N. Nice. Okay, before I hit the next step, People ask me how I mine with my screen off. And you slide your down, and if you're using Userland or Termux, do go acquire Wake Lock, and it'll allow you to mine in the background with your phone screen turned off. So now let's go to the next step. So it's this one. Cool. And now the next step, which would be your nanoconfig.json. And then hit enter. And it's cool because he has all the major pools set up in the actual miner itself. And if you want to disable a pool, you just put a 1 instead of a 0. So you put a 1 instead of a 0. And we mine on Cloud Eco. So we are going to put a 0 on Cloud Eco. And then now we are going to go to our address and we are going to erase. So just hover over the period and then just erase the address. And I'm on my computer, but if you're on your phone, you'll be using these arrows to navigate this screen. And it's really important on this screen not to add anything or remove anything that doesn't need to be there. It can compromise the entire mining operation. Anyway, so let me go get my address. All right, I got my address. So now I'm just gonna hold down and I'm gonna paste. And then after this period, that's the name of your worker. And today, this is worker 100. And you're going to hit Control. So Control X. I can do it on my keyboard, but you're going to have to do it by hand. So Control X. And then you're going to press Y. And then you're going to hit Enter. And then you're going to go period /start.sh. And look, we're mining on Cloud Eco. And that is the Termux method. It is way easier than my old tutorial. But yeah, and it usually pushes a pretty decent hash rate. And yeah, I'll talk more about it on the tripod. Okay. Okay, so nobody ever comments on my shirts. I say it on my Life on Paper channel all the time now, but I think I wear pretty interesting shirts and nobody ever comments on them. But yeah, how easy was that tutorial? Like, that took way quicker than the userland method. Now, I still prefer the userland method, it's just because it's what I'm used to. But yeah, I have some phones that userland just did not work at all, and I had to use Termux. I think I have a Hawaii P Lite or something, and userland just would not work on it, so I had to put Termux. But yeah, that was my tutorial, and if it was helpful, give this video a like, and a subscribe always helps as well. And all the links to my social media are down below, and the link to my Discord is down below, and Darktron is in there. And if you have any questions about the miner he compiled, you can ask him. I'm pretty sure he'll be happy. I'll actually put his Verus address in the description if you want to donate to him, if his miner helped you out. And yeah, and don't forget about the crypty thing. And also all the links to my all my affiliate links are down below. It helps to grow this channel. Yeah, so I will check you later.